Hey, what's up, friends? We've been absent for a while, but we're back. Well, we're going on a short vacation together with Lloyd and Sam. For today, babiyahe tayo ng 8 hours para puntahan at bisitahin ang beautiful and historic places ng Baler, Aurora. Kagaya nga ng Millennium Tree na pinakamatandang puno sa buong Pilipinas. And museums. At syempre, di natin papalagpasin na makapag-testing mag-surf sa dagat ng Baler. And of course, this vacation is not going to be cozy and homey kung hindi dahil sa Kahana Moku Inn. Thank you and shout out to Jasal and his family for having us. We will definitely recommend and we'll go back to your place. Super linis ng rooms and common areas, friendly ng mga staff at pati ang owner, surely makikipag-jam sa'yo. We are blessed to hear their humble beginnings and stories on what made their move in Baler. Definitely a winner. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go! So good morning sa inyo mga friends. It's past 3 in the morning and we're here in getting ready para bumiyahe papunta sa may Baler, Aurora. So before tayo malis, safety check muna tayo. We need to make sure na tama yung tire pressure natin. And also, meron din tayong gas papunta doon, syempre. At nandito na nga kami sa may Skyway, guys. Super sarap magmaneho ng gantong oras. Dahil alam nyo na, super konti lang ng kotse and napaka-peaceful ng mga drivers. So eto, nandito na tayo sa may NLEX Balintawak. So just enjoy the ride, guys, and we'll see you there. Let's go! So nag-stop over nga muna kami dito sa may Petron NLEX para lang umihi muna at mag-refresh at para makapag-ready na rin sa mahaba-habang biyahe. So let's go! Yun, so nag-stop over nga muna tayo sa may bilihan dito ng chicharon sa may San Miguel, Bulacan, guys. Kasi dito tayo dumaan papunta. Plano natin magbayan-bayan para makita natin yung mga towns and places papuntang Baler. At ito na nga, inabot na kami ng sunrise. Ayan, gising na ang buong tropa at buhay na buhay. Excited na sa aming pupuntahan. At yan, picture taking muna sa may Nueva Ecija. At fast forward, dito tayo sa Cabanatuan at ngayon nasa may Lanera. And boom, touchdown tayo dito sa Baler, Aurora, mga kapatid. So eto, nakaupo ako kay Mother Aurora. Siya lang naman, guys, ang nanay ng ating late president na si President Manuel L. Quezon. So kung pupunta kayo dito, guys, isa to sa mga una nyong ma-i-stop overrun para makapagpa-picture, makita ang magagandang views. At ito, papunta na kami sa may lugar ng Baler. Ito ang kalsada niya, guys. Napakaraming palayan na makikita nyo. At ang pinakaunang stop pala natin dyan ay ang Millennium Tree. So let's go! At nandito na nga tayo, guys. Meron lang din, of course, parking fee and entrance fee sa mga pupunta at bibisita dito sa Millennium Tree ng Maria Aurora. As you see, biggest and oldest siya, guys, sa buong Asia. At talagang malaking-malaki siya, guys, in person. So I suggest, drop byan nyo to, guys, pag bumisita kayo sa bayan ng Baler. Bing, anong masabi mo? Nakita mo pinakamatandang puno dito. Wow! Ang laki niya talaga, guys. Dapat to makita niyo ng personal para ma-appreciate niyo. Ugat pa lang yan, no? Ang punong to ay palete. Ikotin natin. At of course, pagtapas nyo naman mag-ikot, mauuhaw naman kayo dyan. Nandyan si tatay guys, masarap ang kanyang buko. Super dami ng sabaw and of course, very affordable yan. That's a must try pagdating nyo dyan. And yes, officially, nasa bayan na tayo ng Baler guys at unang-unang gagawin natin dyan ay kakain dahil kami ay gutom na. And sakto rin, si Papi Lloyd ay may naalala pang nakainan nila dito na eat all you can. That's right guys, eat all you can or all you can eat for a very affordable price of 250 pesos per head. So dito nga lang yan guys, sa may Jerry Shan's Catering. So pagpasok nyo ng Baler, nasa main road sila, nasa kanan. Ito yung isa sa mga una nyong madadaanan. Kitang-kita guys, ang napakaraming menu niyan. Sulit ka na sa 250. Pwede ka nang kumain ng manok, baboy, baka, at mga seafood. Iba't ibang klase ng luto. At siguradong masarap siya guys. Malasa, hindi masyadong maalat. And of course, marami silang condiments. Kitang-kita nyo naman guys, na jam pack tong first plate natin dahil naman 8 hours tayong bumiyahe, nagmaneho papuntang Baler, no? So susulitin natin yan. As you see kanina, napakaraming menu, 'di ba? Pero lahat naman yan guys masasarap. At ang pinaka nagustuhan ko doon ay yung maanghang nilang Bicol Express, yung sabaw ng sinigang nilang isda, and of course may isda din yung na tuna. Yung alimasag nila so-so lang kasi maliliit. Yung hipon nakarami din ako. Ayan o, kitang-kita. At yung luto ng mga fried chicken sila. Fried chicken, barbecue chicken, and of course, yung breaded pork chop. Ayan. Pagtas namin kumain, ayan, dito kami dumiretso sa may park para makapag-lakad-lakad, makapagpa-picture. Ayan, nandyan yung surfboard nila, big sign ng Baler. And of course, sa likod niyan, bilihan na ng mga souvenirs. At sa kabilang kanto niyan guys, doon nyo din matatagpuan yung museum nila dito. Napaka-creative nga naman talaga ng Balero. Ang gaganda ng design ng surfboard nila dyan. Sana pwede gamitin at mahiram. What? At eto na nga guys, ang Museo de Baler. Magkatawiran lang yan doon sa bilihan ng souvenirs na pinanggalingan natin kanina. So, sa gitna lang sila. Ayan, si Mr. President Manuel L. Quezon, no? At fast forward tayo, dumiretso na nga kami sa Sabang Beach after namin mag-picture taking. It's my first time here and yes, I was amazed. Napakahaba ng shoreline, napakalawak ng dagat, and of course, yung tunog ng waves, napakasarap sa tenga. Very relaxing and peaceful ng lugar na to guys. Hindi siya overcrowded. Kitang-kita nyo naman. Konti lang ang mga tao dyan. So, talagang safe na safe. And of course, meron ditong surfing lesson at saka board na mahihirap. O, diba? Tatry natin yan the next day. At tara, mag-ikot-ikot na muna tayo guys. Let's go!
Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me.
Finally, we're here after 6 or 7 hours of driving from Carmona to Baler, Tama-Tambay at stopover.
Baler! Baler!
We're finally here sa Baler. Hello. Lamig oh. Andun yung barko ng China. Mamaya magsisurf na kami. Nihintay lang namin lumakas yung alon kasi mahina pa eh.
But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, we'll try to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away? Walk away. Walk.
And yes, after namin sa Sabang, dumiretso na rin kami dito sa pag-i-stayan namin sa may Kahana Moku. This is located in Cemento, Baler. And yes, that's the owner, Sir Jazan. Thank you for having us, sir. And more than that, super thank you for upgrading our room for free. Iba naman talaga ang working relationship ng dalawa ni Papi Lloyd. No bias guys, napakaganda ng lugar nila, napakalinis at napaka-peaceful. And we recommend you see this place when you go here in Baler. Hindi kayo magsisisi at hindi kami mapapahiya sa inyo. After nga na magpahinga saglit, pumunta na ulit kami pabalik sa may Sabang Beach para makapaglakad-lakad, makapag-relax, and also para makapag-dinner. At mukhang uulan pa nga. At totoo, papunta yung bagyo niyan sa may Baler. At tomorrow, uulanin kami pero of course, we will survive and we will still have fun. So tara, mag-ikot-ikot ulit tayo. Let's go!
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
Lasa nga no?
Our bags and get in that car.
Malakas ang hangin. Wave check na, wave check.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city.